These countries form the backbone of global trade and contribute greatly to economies. Let's get started. 5. India. India is fifth on the list. India, which has rapidly increased its exports in recent years, draws attention especially with its textile, pharmaceutical and agricultural products. The country's large production capacity increases its competitiveness in the world market. 4. Japan. Japan is fourth. Japan stands out with its strong position in technology and innovation. It is in great demand worldwide with its high-quality products, especially automotive and electronic products. 3. Germany. Germany, the largest economy in Europe, is third. Germany is known especially for its automobile, machinery and chemical products. Thanks to its strong industrial structure, it is an important exporter worldwide. 2. USA. The United States is second. The USA exports a wide range of products such as automotive, agricultural products and technology. The country's strong economy and innovative companies make it an important player in global trade. 1. China. And at the top of the list is China, the world's largest exporter. China is a huge exporter in many areas such as electronics, machinery, textiles and consumer goods. The country is a leader in the world market due to its production capacity and cost advantages. Closing, these countries play an important role in global trade and contribute greatly to the world economy. I hope you enjoy our video. Don't forget to mention in the comments which country you would like to learn more about. See you.